Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can get Trello on PC, so let's get right into it. The first thing you can do is you can use it on the web browser. Pretty much any web browser will do. You just type in Trello.com and go to Atlassian's site. Atlassian is the company that are the creators of Trello. You just get into the site, make an account, confirm your email, and enter the account. You'll get a free workspace. You'll have a free account, and you can create workspaces as you wish. You can create boards, do whatever you want, and that is pretty much it. Now you can do that, or you can download the client, which you can download from the Microsoft App Store or the Google Apple App Store. As you can see, you can do it on the web, you can do it on mobile, or you can do it on desktop. If I click get it from Microsoft, this is the site that's going to pop off. Now if I click install, it'll install it to my computer, and I could use it as I would any other Microsoft application. But that is pretty much it. I'm not going to do that since, in my opinion, the web version is more practical and pretty much just flat out better. The client version might be better if you don't have a stable internet connection, but I use the web one and it is very good, so I would recommend you do the same. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.